Hi, my name is Nabor, and I'm co-owner and operator here at Avondale Auto Repair in the Chicagoland area. If you're looking for an honest, dependable, and trustworthy auto repair facility, consider Avondale Auto Repair for your domestic and foreign vehicles. Here at Avondale Auto Repair, we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Our technicians have years of experience working on all types of vehicles. Whether your car needs brakes, transmission, engine work diagnostic, or just routine maintenance, we can do it all.